Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Myself Mitanshi. If you are a Java developer, then you might have heard about GRPC, the Google Remote Procedure Call Solution. It is the latest buzz in the tech circle and people are enthusiastically talking about it. The buzz is evident because it's coming from the Google, like Angular, Golang, Flutter, Dart and much more are the other latest technologies. This RPC server takes care of converting your data into bytes so that it can be traveled to the server and then feed the response back to the client. So in this video, I'm gonna to talk about the top 5 courses to learn GRCP. But before deep diving into it, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get updates regarding the upcoming videos. So without wasting any more of your time, here is my list of the best online courses to learn GRPC and Protobuf for the programmers and the software developers. So the first on the list is Complete Guide to Protocol Buffers. Before knowing about GRPC, it is essential to know about Google Protocol Buffers, and this is one of the best courses by Stephen Marek to learn Google Protocol Buffer. So the second on the list is gRPC Masterclass. Now that you know what Google Protocol Buffer is and how can you use it to transmit your data between your microservices, so it's time to learn that how to develop server-side code using gRPC. So this is one of the best courses guys to learn gRPC for the Java developers. Guys, if you have any queries related to any of the courses, then tell me in the comment box. I would love to acknowledge your queries. The third on the list is Enhancing Application Communication with gRPC. There have been many different strategies over the years and to get software written in one language to communicate with written in another. So in this course, you will learn about the gRPC framework that Google uses for much of its inter-services communication. The fourth on the list is gRPC Masterclass. Better than REST API, in this course, you will build a fast scalable HTTP API for a Golang microservices with gRPC protocol buffers. gRPC is a new and the modern framework for building scalable, stylish and fast APIs. The last on the list is gRPC C Masterclass. If you are a C developer and wanted to learn gRPC, then this is an excellent course for you all guys. In this course, you will learn how to create a fast, scalable HTTP API for .NET microservices with gRPC protocol buffers. So guys, that's all for the today's video. I hope you will like. If yes, so give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Bye guys, see you in the next video.